Hi there, everyone. Why do so many students lose their curiosity as they grow older? And what if the problem is not the student, but the education system itself? Today, we explore the learning revolution by Carl Robinson, a powerful idea that challenges traditional schools and call for complete transformation in how we understand learning. If you ever feel that education should be more creative, more human, and more inspiring, this is for you. So, Karen Robinson, widely known for his influential ideas on creativity and education, present in the learning revolution, or a board. Sorry about that. I just need to change my poster. A bold critical of conventional educational system. His central argument is clear. Education must evolve from standardized, rigid model to dynamic system that nurture, nurture creativity, individuality, and lifelong learning. Robinson challenged the industrial area student of schooling, where students are often treated as uniform products rather than unique individuals. He argued that this system suppresses creativity and limits students' potential by prioritizing, memorizing, and standardized testing over critical thinking and innovation. A key strength of Robinson perspective is his emphasis on personalized learning. He believed that every learner has distinct talents, interests, and way of understanding the world. Education, therefore, should be flexible enough to adopt these different rather than forcing all students into the same mold. This approach aligned with the modern educational reforms that promote student central learning environment. And another powerful theme is the importance of creativity as a core component of education. Robinson asserts that creativity is as important as literacy and should be treated with equal value in rapidly changing world like right now. The ability to think creativity and solve complex problems is more crucial than ever. Moreover, Robinson highlight the role of teaching as facilitators of inspiration rather than mere transmitters of information. Great teaching, according to him, is about engaging student, sparking curiosity, and creating an environment where learning feel meaningful and relevant. While Robinson vision is inspiring, implementing such a revolutionary shift in education requires systematic changes, policy, reform, and significant resources. Critics may argue that his idea through compelling can be difficult to apply in large-scale public education system. However, his work remind a virtual call to rethink and improve how education serve future generation. And the learning revolution is not just about changing schools; it's about transforming how society view learning. It's encourage us to move beyond limitation and create system that empower every individual to discover and develop their true potential. So, whatever education was not about fitting into a system, but about discovering who you truly are, the heart of the learning revolution. If we want a future filled with the innovation, creativity, and purpose, we must rethink how we learn today. If the idea inspires you, sorry, if this idea inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful insight and education and personal growth. Keep questions, keep learning, and I see you in next video. You can also watch uh, this video like not mine, but uh, Sir Karen Robinson on YouTube, and it's maybe like 18 minutes. That's it. Not something beyond human imaginations. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.